Welcome to another Free Flow World Cameras video. So today we're doing a simple but very nice mod for the Audi Basics cluster. With opening this cluster is a very simple process. Only had to undo 4 hex screws and undo a couple of clips with the flathead screwdriver. Logo in the cluster, all I did was close it up and enjoy the new look. Here, so this needs to come out, this needs to come down, this needs to go in, then all of this comes back. So I'm gonna put you in a time lapse and then we'll get it done. Enjoy. So this is how plain and boring it looked before the S lining of the Audi. Look at how marvelous the result was after adding this small little mod to the Audi. It makes a whole lot of a difference. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this.